Hello, today we are processing greens. You can get any kind you like. However, I like to get the spring mix or arugula or any other kind. Just take them out of the packaging and put them into a blender. We use Vitamix high-speed blender for this. Just pack it in. Use the whole package. Like to use a variety of greens. Squish it down and then add water and put the water up to there. Use filtered water if possible. Make sure the cap is on tight and blend until you get the consistency that you want. The longer you blend, the smoother it is. Now that it's done, you get a nice foam, pretty green foam on the top. Pour it into bottles that will go into the refrigerator. Cap them, make sure the caps are on tight. I use old coconut bottles. Use one bottle a day. About a quarter in the morning and 3/4 for the smoothies in the afternoon.